Today I want to be honest with you. I want to tell you why I stopped making videos. We started the finance channel in June 2021, but I had the idea for this since June 2019. It took me 2 years to be ready and to be confident enough to take the plunge. I wanted to teach people the basics of finance, all these things that I had to learn from scratch from the very beginning. And Let's Make You Rich was an honest attempt of mine to share the things that I had learned over a period of time. And we had an awesome start, but it was too much to handle. Now, as you know, this is our second channel. Abhi and You, our main channel, takes up a lot of our time and energy. What you see on camera is not all that there is. There's a lot of things that happen behind the scenes. We have to do a lot of thinking to try and come up with interesting topics. There's a lot of research, and we have to figure out how to break things down to make them very interesting for you. And it's fun and challenging at the same time, and we love it. And along with this, we also conducted our first ever live course on content creation, where we were managing around 2,000 students. So we had to figure out giving them assignments, taking the next class, and making things interesting. It was a lot of stuff, and it was fun and challenging at the same time. Plus, we just renovated this place, and now we have our own studio to shoot all of our videos in. So from selecting the wallpapers to selecting all these things you see behind me, the sofa, the lighting, there was so many things to do. It was fun and challenging at the same time. But at some point, it started becoming less fun and more of a challenge. And all of a sudden, I didn't have any joy in making all these videos. I know I've not released a video for more than 2 months, but it's not like I don't have anything ready. In fact, there's one video that's partially ready, but when I was editing it, I couldn't even bear to look at myself. I was in that bad of a space. I could see all sorts of pressure building on my body and on my mind. And honestly, I didn't want to give a half-assed attempt at something that should come from my heart, that should be really genuine and also have a lot of value for you guys. So when you see a 10-minute video on this channel, I think there's about 100 hours of reading that goes behind the scenes to make the content for that. And I'm not even joking, I honestly read that much. I want to be sure that you get the best and nothing else. And when I saw comments like, make videos in Hindi, Abhi is better at this. We don't want a crybaby like you. We don't want your channel. You won't be able to do this on your own. I started doubting myself. And this, along with many other things, started taking a toll on my health. It felt like if I continue to make videos like this, I'll be running on a treadmill, but without any vision and most importantly, without any motivation. I'd just be running. The whole point of all of these videos is that I have my own personality. I have my own vision, I have my own thoughts, and I have my own style. It wasn't fair if I was under so much pressure and I had to compete, even if it was with our main channel. When I saw this, I knew I had to sort some things out first. So here's what I did in the last 2 months. I paid a lot of attention to my mental and my physical health. Sometime back, I had started a diet where meals would be sent to me, and that diet did not work for me at all. So I stopped it, and I focused on eating what I felt like eating without guilting myself, which was a very big deal for me. I started exercising and I started feeling a lot more energetic and more comfortable with myself. And at the same time, I also started writing, but this time without any pressure of finishing these videos for next Friday. So because of this, I would end up reading about 150 hours sometimes instead of 100 hours. But that was completely okay because I was slowly getting more and more confident every single day. And that's what mattered to me. And most importantly, I now had a vision for this channel. I knew exactly where I wanted to go. And that's the reason why this is not the end of the channel. This is not why we'll stop the videos. But this is where we refresh and we restart. But not on the same treadmill that I was on before. This time it will be more comfortable and at my own pace. This time we have a vision. Number 1, we don't lie. We've seen influencers make half an hour long advertisements without even disclosing that it's a paid partnership. You're not going to get any of it over here. We are not going to lie. When it comes to money, we want to be honest and we want to give you the right advice. Even if we have to say no to a lot of brands, we're totally okay with that. Even on our main channel, we use an app for weeks before we decide to promote it, and we only promote the things that we actually end up using. And that's the same principle, that's the same ethos that we are going to follow here on this channel. We won't lie. And for that, even if I have to say no to some good money, I'm perfectly okay with that. Number 2, personal finance is wholesome. Okay, now personal finance can't be focused on any one asset class. You can't put 100% of your money in crypto. Similarly, you can't put 100% of your money in equity. That is really not a good strategy because you need to have some money that's available to you whenever you need it. There needs to be a balance in your life, and the topics that we choose will continue to have the same balance. We'll focus on common mistakes that people do that drain all their wealth. We'll simplify and explain a lot of investment options that are available to you so that you can make an informed decision. But yes, the choice will be yours. We won't force you. Number 3, revolutionize revolutionizing personal finance. अब भारत से हो ना तो आप वीडियोस हिंदी में बनाओ. But why only Hindi? Why not in Marathi? Why not in Kannada, Tamil, Malayalam, Telugu, Odia, Assamese, Bengali, so many Indian languages? Why not in every language? I want to make these videos available in as many languages as possible. But for that, I need to get all the information that's inside my brain out there. And I think in English, and that's why that's the language of choice for me. I'll be able to explain something the best in English. So that's why this channel is going to focus on English for now. And on the side, we're building a team that can translate all of these videos for you in as many languages as we can. Will take some time, but this is the first step. So thank you so much to all of you who kept requesting me to make more and more videos. Your support means more than you know. And for all of those who want these videos in Hindi,
रुको जरा, सबर करो.
so this Deepavali, we're lighting a small lamp again. We are back with more motivation, more enthusiasm and more ways to make you rich. It is possible for you to get rich because it's not rocket science. It's a set of simple steps, it's a process. Like building a channel is also a process filled with ups and downs. But it is our vision, our commitment to that vision and our focus on our overall well-being that makes it possible. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next week with something new.